इतना छोटा छोटा लड़कियों ने हम लोगों के मस्ती में डोल दिया है।
Thank you, Tiny Tots, for this wonderful dance. Our next performance is from our little star from class UKG. Are ready to fill this room with their sweet voice. Music, as they say, is the language of the soul. It has the power to bring smiles, heal hearts, and inspire minds. Up next, we have our talented students who are all set to amaze us with a beautiful song. Yes, they are going to sing a beautiful Bengali song that will warm our hearts. Their lovely voice will make us all proud. Students are Drishti, Orna, Varnali, Rishika, Dejit, Onu, Sapna, Annesha, Subhanita, Sapnamar, Shreya, Animesh, Purna, Atri, Atanu, Soika, Sumon, Pritam, Tarun, and Rintu. So let's give a big round of applause to our talented UKG students as they come on stage to perform